Okay, today we have to discuss that third topic, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angle means the sum of two angles. To complementary angles is known as a 90 degrees. Okay, now take a right angle triangle. It is a triangle ABC. ABC. At B is right angle. Then let me say that it is a x degrees, angle A x degrees. Then the angle C is 90 minus x. Angle C is 90 minus x. So we have the generally the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle A is equal to, we have to come sum of the angles of angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A, let me say x, angle B plus 90 degrees plus angle C, we have to know that angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So we want only an angle C. Therefore 90 x plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 90. Therefore x plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 90 means 90. X is in LHS is add plus x, change into LHS to RHS. Angle C is equal to 90 minus x. So then we got that the value of that angle is, how did you get this answer? Means angle C is equal to 90 minus x. Because of that, if you add that 90 x after plus x minus x 0, then 90 plus 90 180 degrees. So based on this, we have to find the some ratios of the angles. Okay, then we have to find that 90 minus x. The first one is that, so at 90 minus means sine 90 minus x, sine 90 minus x with respect to the angle, that opposite side of this angle is AB is equal to AB by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to AC. So sine 90 minus x is equal to AB by AC. And second one is that cos 90 minus x. Cos 90 minus x. The 90 minus x, the adjacent side of this angle is BC. BC by hypotenuse AC. Similarly, tan 90 minus x. Tan 90 minus x. Yes. Tan 90 minus x means opposite side of this angle is equal to AB. Adjacent side of this angle is B. Therefore, AB by BC and 10. Next one is that fourth one is secant. Secant 90 minus x. Secant 90 minus x. So secant 90 minus x means what is the formula? Secant is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. AC by adjacent side BC. And fifth one, cosecant. Cosecant 90 minus x is equal to, it is also hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse means AC. Opposite side of this 90 minus x is AB. And sixth one is cot. Cot 90 minus x. Cot 90 minus x are adjacent side by opposite side of the 90 minus x. Adjacent side means BC. BC by AB. AB. BC by AB. So then we have to find these angles, all the 6 ratios. Next one is that with respect to the x angle A. With respect to the x angle A. So the second part is that sine x, with respect to the sine x, opposite angle is BC. BC by sine x, BC by opposite side, and hypotenuse AC. And second one is that cos x is equal to, cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of this angle x is AB. AB by and hypotenuse AC. Next, tan x with respect to the angle opposite side of the x angle BC. BC by adjacent side AB. So next one, secant x, hypotenuse by adjacent side, hypotenuse AC by adjacent side AB. And cosecant x, hypotenuse by opposite side, hypotenuse AC with respect to the angle x, and opposite side is BC by BC. Cot x, cot x means adjacent side by opposite side, adjacent side AB by adjacent side AB. This is opposite side BC. So once you observe this, the blue color and red color angles I gave the separately, because of that you have to coincident, and coincident angles are there. So sin 90 minus x is equal to AB by AC. So with respect to the x angle, it is equal to AB by AC. So AB by AC, this one. Sin x is equal to cos x is equal to sin 90 minus x. Sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x. Next one, cos 90 minus x is equal to BC by AC. Here is there sin x, BC by sin 90 minus cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x is equal to cos 90 minus x. Next one, tan 90 minus x is AB by BC. Once you observe that, there is here AB by BC, same. The same ratios are there. Cot tan 90 minus x, AB by BC. Cot x is equal to AB by BC. Means cot x is equal to, we have to write tan 90 minus x, or tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x value. Okay. And next one is secant 90 minus x means AC by BC. AC by BC. Here is the secant AC by BC. Cosecant x means secant 90 minus x is equal to cosecant x. Cosecant x you have to write like this equation is also, because of the exercise 3, all the problems are based on these formulas only. We have to convert any one. If there is given cosecant x, we have to convert into secant 90 minus x. Or it replaced by that, cosecant x is replaced by secant 90 minus x. So we have to remember this formula. Okay, right. Next one is that cosecant 90 minus x, it is equal to AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB means tan x, sorry, secant x. Secant x AC by AB means cosecant 90 minus x. Cosecant 90 minus x. The finally tan x, cot BC. Cot 90 minus x is equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. BC by AB means cot 90 minus x. Cot 90 minus x. So this is the final formula. So what you have to find here? Cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x, and sin 90 minus x is also equal to cos x. cot 90 minus x is equal to tan x. Cosecant 90 minus x is equal to secant x. Secant 90 minus x is equal to cosecant x. Tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x. Okay, are you understand this? So these all the ratios, the complementary angles. So 90 minus x means below 90. Complementary angles means angle A and angle C. Angle A and angle C, the both angles are, the two angles are called complementary angles. So we have calculated that ratios of the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles of that right angle triangle. Okay, 90 minus x, x is also below 90 degrees, 90 minus x also below 90 degrees angles. Okay, so these the complementary angles of that ratios of the trigonometric and trigonometric ratios of the complementary angles, they are the standard formulas. Okay, by using these formulas we have to solve some questions in that exercise 3. Okay, next, once you see the textbook, from textbook there is given one of the question, tan 36 by cot 54 degrees. It is very simple. ఏదైనా ఉంటే లైవ్లో మీరు కంప్లైంట్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, దాన్ని నేను సరి చేసి ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తా. ఓకే, రైట్. tan 30 degrees 36 degrees. Question number 1, exercise 3, question number 1. Tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. So if there is given on question, numerator angle, denominator angle must be 90 degrees. This 36 plus 54, total 90 degrees. Okay, so then we have to solve this. Solution. What is it? We know that given triangle tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees, we have the formula. We have, what is the formula? We have to convert that tan into cot, or cot convert into tan. That our wish. So tan 36 degrees we have to convert into it. Means tan 36 means tan 36 degrees is equal to, so cot 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54 is equal to 36. Means cot 90 minus tan theta, sorry, or 36 degrees. Tan cot 90 minus 30 degrees. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Therefore we have to write like this: tan 36 degrees is equal to cot 90 minus 36, 54 degrees. So let me say equation 1 this. Substitute these values in that equation. From equation 1, what is the equation 1? Tan 36 degrees, we have to write, instead of this tan 36 degrees, cot 54, means tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees, means by using this formula we have to write that cot 54 degrees, tan 36 degrees ORR tan 36 degrees, instead of that cot 54 degrees. So just I am taking that tan 36 degrees is equal to cot 54 degrees. Cot 54 degrees. And denominator is also cot 54 degrees. Total cot 54 and denominator is also cot 54. Therefore is 1. Therefore tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees is equal to, answer is 1. So this is the value of that first question. Okay. Next, cos 12 degrees minus, next question. Next question. Second question, red marker. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. That is the question. So, when we have the formula solution, the question is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. We have formula, we know cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. General, we have the formula, general, we already calculated this formula. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Therefore, cos 90 minus, here sin means 78. 78 is equal to theta, same equal. What is the value of this? You have to write this. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to 78 is equal to sin 78 degrees. Cos 90 minus 78, cos 12 is equal to sin 78. Then let me say it is the first equation 1. Then you have to substitute the equation 1 these values. Okay, what is that? Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Cos 12 degrees is equal to, what is that? Cos 12 degrees is equal to minus, we have to replace that. Instead of the cos 12 degrees, sin 78 over r, sin 78 degrees instead of that cos 12 degrees. Anyone had to use this. Therefore, cos 12 degrees minus, instead of the sin 78 degrees is cos 12 degrees. Therefore, 0. The answer is 0. Okay. So we have to solve these problems as like this, and another questions also like that. So that there is the second question, there is given, show that 48 degrees. Next, third question. Question number 3. Question number 2. In that question is there, first question Roman number 1 to 6 are there. The remaining all questions are the similar, the same model. So we no need to worry too difficult. That is very easy. By using these formulas we have to find it. Okay. So then we have to go the second question, Roman number 1. Tan 48 degrees. Second question, Roman number 1. So tan 48 degrees tan 16 degrees tan 42 degrees tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. We have to show that. Show that means we have to show the same values. Once again I am repeating, tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees. The same, the question is right. Then we have the formula, the tan 90 minus theta, and we have to write that anyone, there is given 48 and 42. So both are the similar. And both are the similar. We have to convert. I am converting like this. tan, we have the formula tan 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Tan 48 degrees means how can you get the tan 48 degrees? We have to subtract that, the same theta is like that we have. So we have to subtract tan 90 minus 42 is equal to secant 42. This is one of the equation. 90 minus 42 means tan 48 is equal to secant 42 degrees. Second one, again the same formula, tan 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, but here I am subtracting tan 90 minus 74 is equal to secant 74. Okay, therefore tan 90 minus 74 means tan 16. 90 minus 74 means 16 is equal to secant 74. So if we substitute these values in this equation, the above question, then what you have to get, that instead of this value or instead of this value you have to substitute this. Tan, we have to write the tan 16 degrees, tan 48 degrees, tan 48 degrees is secant 42, means tan 48 degrees is equal to secant, tan 48 degrees is equal to secant 42 into tan 16 degrees, tan 16 is equal to secant 74, secant 74, and next one tan 42, tan 42 is equal to tan 42 equal to this secant 42, remaining same, you already converted is all, then tan 42 and tan 74, tan 42 and tan 74. Therefore, whatever the values are got, secant tan minus tan secant 42, tan 42. Reciprocal of this, tan means